how to change username on Activision. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username on your Activision account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser on your device and then search for Activision. Then go to this website activision.com. And then once you're on the website, you have to tap on the three lines here in the top right corner. Then here, if you haven't signed in, here you will see a sign in button. So I have already signed in, that's why it is showing me profile button. But if you see the sign in button, tap on it and sign in, and then tap on here profile. And then here on your profile page, you have to tap on basic info. Then scroll down, and here you will see all of your personal information, and here in the last you will see your Activision ID. This is your username, Activision username. So to change it, here you have to tap on edit, then here tap on your username, then delete the old username and write a new one, and then tap on save. Enter here your Activision password, and after entering, tap on submit, and your Activision username will be changed.